Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel today, and today we just had some cleaning to do around the house. I wanted to start with deep cleaning my downstairs bathroom, and if you are cleaning with me, go ahead and let me know down in the comments. If you're new here and this is your first time watching one of my videos, hello, my name is Lindsey. I am a mama of two, and I create videos on organization, cleaning motivation, decluttering, home decor, and home projects, and the occasional recipe. So if you enjoyed today's video, please consider subscribing, and we're gonna go ahead and just jump right in. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters, stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever, driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. So when I go ahead and clean my toilets, I use a paper towel so I can just go ahead and throw it away. And then I also spray the base area on the side of the toilet and also wipe the back of the wall there. So I'm also using the Clorox wands. I absolutely love them. I probably won't ever go back to your regular toilet bowl brush. I just like it because you can go ahead and throw it away after the one use. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on those strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do. So what I'm doing here is going ahead and using a hot soapy bowl of water with Dawn soap so I can go ahead and clean my baseboards, and then I also just go ahead and quickly clean my bathroom floors. This bathroom is super tiny, you guys. There's not a lot of room to move around, and I was in the middle of washing my little microfiber pads that I put at the bottom of my mop. I have a mop that I use for my bathroom and then a mop I use for like the downstairs kitchen hardwood floor area. So I didn't have any of those pads available. So I just went ahead and got on my hands and knees and wiped it down the old-fashioned way. Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start. I've been getting a lot of questions on what I do for exercise, so I wanted to make sure and address it. But I am currently doing a program through Chloe Ting. She's a YouTuber, but she has a website where she has free programs for everyone. So you just go on, you can pick a program, you don't have to submit your email or anything, and then it directs you to all of the videos in that program. It's really awesome. I've been feeling amazing doing it and just kind of getting stronger and getting all of those happy endorphins from working out. I know a lot of you guys around the country are dealing with a lot of snow, the snowstorms, and really bad weather. I am praying for you guys. I hope that you guys just stay safe and stay warm, and just know that I am thinking of all of you. We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby,
So I've been getting a lot of questions about different things in my home, my furniture, all of that good stuff. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I do have a Like.to.know.it page, which I always have the link in my description box for that. I'm going to be uploading more content on there, so it makes it easier for you guys to just go ahead, check out those photos, and you can shop those photos. There'll be links attached to it. And I do have some photos of my nightstands, my bed, those types of things if you wanted to go ahead and check it out. But you can follow me there, and I will be uploading more content very soon.
I don't wanna waste my time, so baby we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. It's not ready.
I'm curious, you guys, let me know what your favorite, most satisfying thing is to watch in a cleaning video. For me, my favorite thing to watch is when somebody is cleaning their carpets, like shampooing them. It's so satisfying to me. Let me know what yours is down in the comments.
Baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? It's a remedy, 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 yeah. Drugs and cigarette smoke, is it? The print you wanna leave behind.
So I'm so excited because today I teamed up with Hoover to tell you guys about their One Power Evolve cordless upright vacuum. This vacuum weighs less than 9 pounds, making it quick and easy to grab and vacuum up a mess without even thinking twice. Because of that, I've been keeping my floor cleaner than usual. You also get the best of both worlds with the full-size power of an upright, which is ideal if you have dogs in the home. I also love that it has 3 times more capacity than my stick vacuum, so I'm not spending time emptying puppy hair every few minutes. It also has different modes to change it to vacuuming your hardwood floor, carpet, and turning your brush off. I will have the link down in the description box so you can check them out. Thank you so much, Hoover, for sponsoring this portion of the video. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how it works. I love it for those quick and easy cleanups, and I've been using it almost every day.
Lights are shining bright. My friends are in the club. We'll go all night. I see you in the back. The mood is right. If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music and the chase. Like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my heart beat, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us.
All right, you guys, so now it's time to clean my daughter's room. If you're new here, I have a 5-year-old daughter. Her name is Ava, and she wanted to go ahead and show you guys her stuffies, how she has them all laid out. to sleep. We did not touch those. We did clean the rest of her room. I like Ava to help me clean her room just so she can learn that responsibility. She also does it on her own sometimes too, with a little push and motivation. I think it's really important to teach our kids that. I have my oldest that is 18, and he started making his own bed and cleaning his room around the same age, and then he started helping with chores around the house a couple years later. So that's just something that's important to me. So when they get older, they'll be able to take care of their own home and keep it neat and clean.
Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. We're dancing close together, making out, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. I can't get enough. Oh, it's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us.
I just have to throw it out there that I do miss having vacuum lines like this. With my stick vacuum, I don't get the same kind of vacuum lines as a upright vacuum like this, so I really appreciate that.
With me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness.
So as you can see, my stovetop was so gross. So what I'm doing is just removing everything from the counters, getting that out of the way. So then I go ahead and get a cloth just so I can get some of that food off. And then I'm spraying it with the Dawn Power Wash. I just recently got it and I am loving it. It is in the apple scent, so it smells amazing. So I'm just kind of letting it sit on there a little bit while I go ahead and wipe down my counters and my microwave.
Things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Someday we will look back and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive.
So if you're new to my channel, I like to hand wash my pots and pans, but because my dishwasher was now full, I'm gonna go ahead and run that, but I had some dishes left in the sink that I wanted to get clean and not leave in there, so I went ahead and just hand washed those two. If you didn't get to watch my last video, I did just upload a kitchen declutter and organize video. It is the part 1. One of the spaces I organized was under the sink here, and I am really, really happy with the turnout. If you need some decluttering and organizing motivation, please go watch that video. I know a lot of us are working on different projects this year to get our house in order. So if you need some tips or ideas, I will have that video linked down below.
Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't wanna be dragged in a box. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. 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 I am on my
So I know you guys like to see the real mess here on my channel, so I wanted to give you a quick close-up on the dirt on my floor before I vacuum it up. I didn't get a chance to mop today because it was time for me to cook dinner, but it is okay. We have to give ourselves grace. We don't always get everything done in one day, but I hope you guys got tons of cleaning motivation from today's video. Please say hi down below in the comments. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. I appreciate you guys. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel and turning the post notification bell on so you don't miss another video. Also, if you guys enjoyed the video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. I will see all of you guys in my next one. Take care, you guys. Bye.